Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare calcium nitrate versus boron. Understanding their distinct roles is key to optimizing plant health. Calcium nitrate primarily supplies two major nutrients, calcium and nitrogen, which are essential for structural integrity and vigorous growth. Boron, on the other hand, is a vital micronutrient, crucial for processes like cell division and sugar transport. Let's explore each in more detail. Calcium nitrate is a powerhouse for plant structure and vitality. The calcium component strengthens cell walls, which helps prevent common issues such as blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. Meanwhile, the nitrogen content fuels lush, green foliage and robust overall plant development. This combination significantly contributes to better fruit quality and extended storage potential for your harvest. Boron, though a micronutrient, plays an outsized role in plant reproduction and metabolic functions. It is indispensable for the efficient transport of sugars throughout the plant, ensuring energy reaches all parts. Crucially, boron is vital for successful pollination, flower development, and the formation of viable seeds. Without adequate boron, plants can suffer from stunted growth and significantly reduced yields. Deciding which to use depends on your plant's specific needs. Calcium nitrate is ideal when you observe signs of calcium deficiency, like blossom end rot, or when plants require a nitrogen boost for leafy growth. Boron is best applied when soil tests reveal a deficiency, or to support flowering and fruiting stages. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your gardening and daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.